Okay, the first step is going to go to the portal, click your career and training, and go to your AFVEC. Once the screen loads, you're going to head in the upper right corner, go ahead and log in. And log in using your CAC. This is your main page. What you're going to be looking for here is down at the bottom to create an education goal. Okay, you're going to be looking for one that's primary AFSC related. This should be your information for your supervisor. Verify it's correct, and if necessary, put in their personal email. Now it's time to select the credential you're applying for. Type in whichever applies and click on the NCAT AET and next. From here, you're going to upload your invoice. This is going to be under supporting documents. Scroll down and submit the goal. Alrighty, your goal is submitted. Here, you're going to need to have your supervisor approve it. They will receive an email. All they need to do is approve that you are going to submit this goal. Next, we're going to apply for funding. Get back into your AFVEC and go down to your education goal. If your button's grayed out, you may be missing your annual benefits training. Just click here to access your training. This is the easiest training in the Air Force. Just scroll down to the bottom and sign to complete training and agree. That should take you back to the main page, and you should be able to click the button now. Alright, once again, here's your supervisor information. Make sure it's accurate and verify to proceed. You're going to need to click all of these boxes and agree and continue. Select whether you're applying from a deployed location and into your exam center. This is going to be Code 1 maintenance. You're going to want to select for the main campus and click next. Alrighty, from here you're going to look for your estimated start date. This is going to be the date of your course as provided by your instructor. The end date is automatically set by AFVEC 120 days after this. Click next. And we're going to be applying for funding for a prep course first. Go ahead and click to proceed. For your prep course, enter the applicable course. In this case, we're AET. For the cost, it's going to be on your invoice. Go ahead and put that in, and the description also from your invoice. Click to add prep course. Your screen should look similar to this, and go ahead and submit. Now click finish. Now you're going to need to create another funding request for the certification test itself. Go through the exact same process as before with your supervisor information, the boxes, and your deployed location. Code 1 maintenance is still your choice, and the dates are the same. Now instead of a prep course, you're going to click to add exam. Go ahead and select exam, enter the location, which is off base. The cost is found on the invoice, and add exam. Also, be sure to add the fee. This is going to be an administrative fee, also found on the invoice, as is the description. Now once you've got all this done, go ahead and click submit. And finish. Now if you've got everything set up correctly, you should have no more credits remaining for this, and the apply for funding should be grayed out. If you go in and view the details, you can see that we have both the prep course and the exam set up, and we can see the individual amounts there. Make sure that they match your invoice, and that's all there is to it. Your supervisor will have one more approval request to fill, and then you're good to go.